Namaskara. I am Neville Rodrigues, founder of Focal Sci, a very specialized upcoming personality development institute. I am also the designer, developer, and narrator of this unique spoken English course. Thank you for making the effort of listening to this audio message, which describes some very key points of my spoken English course. I have recorded this message in 5 languages, which are Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Tamil, and Hindi, and few more languages yet to come. I am not very fluent in these languages because my mother tongue is Konkani, but my primary language is English, and I use 5 languages on a daily basis. So, what I did was I wrote the script down and used a native speaker of this particular language to translate it. I then recorded it in my own voice. It has been quite an effort. I hope you appreciate it. So, let us start. Let me try to give you the summary and some important aspects of the program. First of all, for majority of Indians, online classes are very new. It is only during this lockdown some more people started exploring online classes. Earlier and even now, people are very reluctant and suspicious. Even I believe video or webinar based online classes for the masses is still a little dangerous. Not for any reason, but video privacy and audio privacy, and other things that get exposed when you have live video classes going on without proper training and orientation. My spoken English class has a very good demand by totally new people to online classes from cities and even rural areas. So I had to make sure that my solution respects and solves your problems. The best part for this was spoken English course lent itself perfectly to the solution. For example, if I have to teach you craft, then you must see video. But if I have to see your work, then live video or recording video from your side becomes mandatory. For spoken English course, there is no real need for video. Video is only a bonus, but not compulsory. Now, having said that, an excellent course presented in audio is super crucial. Otherwise, it will all flop. I have been appreciated a lot by my participants for having the ability to be very creative and find simple solutions to complex problems. You will see that demonstrated in the design and presentation of the course. That is for sure. So if you are shy, nervous to be on camera, don't worry. This course is designed taking into consideration our Indian worries and then solving them. Now you must remember it is a spoken English course. It is not for any other purpose other than to give you full confidence and information on how to converse in English with excellent success. In my opinion, since you are above the age of 17 and maybe even older, this course will be more than enough for you. This course is very specially designed for India. In fact, that is the reason why this message has been translated into so many languages. But the course is of course fully in English. By the age of 17, every Indian living in India is definitely exposed to English in some way or the other. Also in India, by the age of 17, you are guaranteed to have a minimum understanding of English. So the course focuses on improving your spoken English skills and not try to teach you English from A for apple and B for ball. One very serious and important factor you will notice missing in this course is there is absolutely no focus on grammar. This may shock you, but I just mentioned one statement. You think about it. Your mother taught you to speak your mother tongue without grammar. Just think, right? In the course, there is a full chapter explaining why grammar is not taught to you and how grammar is automatically understood. I promise you the surprise answer will make you laugh and you will agree with me. And talking about it, mother and mother tongue, that is exactly the way I am going to teach you. I will be your mother. No, not father. I will be your mother for the 30 days of the course. So you know success is guaranteed. The course will also be in this conversational and relaxed style. Because this is how we speak on a normal day, right? No need for any dramatic speech type of teaching. Now, reading and listening to English are two very different worlds altogether. There is no point in giving you a textbook to read for two important reasons. Our Indian language and English language are completely different. Indian language is written the way it sounds, but not English. And that is the main reason even so many English medium students who get good marks in the exams and stuff are not actually able to speak English so well. The other thing is how it sounds is more important. Remember, I said I will teach you the way your mother teaches. Yes, maximum of the course is delivered by audio. The actual way you speak is audio. I hope you understand the importance. About the internet data, like I said earlier, regular mobile data, even 3G, is more than enough. Since nearly all information and course material is audio, you can just use earphones and listen to the entire instructions anywhere when you are traveling or waiting for someone or sitting in a wedding, maybe. Whatever place, you will not disturb anyone and no one will disturb you. In fact, even at home, if someone wants to watch TV and younger siblings at home are making noise, and even when lying down in bed, there will be no problem. You can attend to the course. Trust me, I have designed this course perfectly for India. Unfortunately, I cannot sell this course internationally, but I'm happy with this. I want to help my fellow citizens to increase their chances of success. Let us see how the program is actually delivered, meaning how do you actually use this course. After you enroll, a login ID and password is sent to you by email to log in to the course website, and the link to the website will also be sent. After you log in, there are clear steps given to be followed. It will be explained on the website. You will listen to the lectures provided at every step, download any information sent, and then at the end of the day, submit your assignment. The assignments are actually very easy and not time consuming, but the way the assignments are planned is what makes it successful. You must be honest and sincere when submitting your assignments. At the end of the day, it is you who has to speak English. There are a total of nearly 30 and more audio lectures. Along with that, there will be motivational messages and reminders sent to you by email and SMS to make sure you do your daily tasks. I can assure you, very little time adjustment is required and can be easily attended every day as per plan. And the daily plan is very neat and simple. Every day you are expected to spend 1 hour, but not continuous 1 hour. Morning 15 minutes, noon 15 minutes, evening 15 minutes, and night 15 minutes. This is made like this so that by the end of 30 days, you will get guaranteed results. Frankly, classroom sessions as a evening class or part-time class never works. Definitely not as effective as it should be. You are tired reaching there and then it's only for 1 hour. And if you see in reality, a 1 hour class is actually only at best 30 minutes. The time waste for so many reasons is unavoidable and many times unjustifiable. You are also very tired and are more concerned with rushing to catch the bus or travel and reach home, etc. So you will attend and after so much time and money, never really learn anything of value. Trust me, I know for fact. When I tried to learn French attending the Alliance Française, it was a utter flop. I was always against this. There are some things where attending in person is unavoidable. For example, my overcoming stage fright course. So I did my best to find a solution and found that spoken English best solution is online. Really, the best. Challenge here is making sure you succeed in the program. So for online courses, it is the designer's responsibility to present a well-structured and success-oriented course, which means it is my responsibility as far as the course is concerned. That is course content, course material, how it has been structured, all that. After much experimentation, I found the best timing is 1 hour per day, not more. But every day, even Saturday and Sunday, continuous for 30 days. And then success is guaranteed. So the plan as mentioned before is 1 hour, split into 4 parts of 15 minutes spread throughout the day, adjusted such that no time is wasted or blocked. When you want to know how soon can we learn? Well, I would say it will take you anything between 3 months to 1 year. depending on your efforts and your background. Since you are preferring to listen to this message in another language, it means you are feeling more nervous than others about English, which tells me that you will take more than 3 months. Nothing to feel bad, but that is the fact. So, what happens in 30 days? In 30 days, I will repair your accent. It will be comfortable and clean accent, which is actually appreciated around the world. Secondly, it increase your vocabulary. You will be able to read complex English brand names and signboards which you found totally mysterious. And more than anything, your confidence level will be boosted 1000%. Yes, a very grand 1000%. In fact, language is the only subject you cannot cheat. You can tell a lie on the CV about your computer skills or hobbies or whatever. When speaking to a person, you can tell you are even from space. But remember, you have to speak. And speaking, you cannot lie. The other person can hear, right? Exactly. In fact, the reason you are having difficulty is because the minute you try to speak English, you are feeling embarrassed because they will catch you instantly. So what you do? You wait for someone else to prompt for you. In this process, you lose a lot of opportunities. To end this audio message, by the end of 30 days, you will have a comfortable accent which is not laughed at and is actually appreciated by everyone, even internationally. Your vocabulary will increase, you will be able to read complicated English words, and you can now further improve your English just by yourself. No need for any more classes. I am not even offering any additional classes in spoken English, like advanced conversation and some stupid level 1, level 2, etc. courses like that. And for the most super duper important part, your confidence will soar by 1000%. Everybody is so used to spoon feeding that in a conversation they will keep quiet and wait for somebody to put words in their mouth. By the end of the course, you will spoon feed others. You will correct others and tell them it is like this and not like that. If you want to succeed in life, especially in the modern times, you must become an individual who can speak for themselves. Remember, this is a self-managed course. Let that be clear. I am there to provide you answers and maybe chase you a little bit. But if you do not put in the effort and manage it by yourself, it's quite foolish trying to speak any language. You must do exactly what I ask you to do and success is guaranteed. I want to thank you so very much for having listened to this entire audio. Congratulations, you have shown the desire to succeed. If you have any doubts, please email me at the email address mentioned in the website. It is better to send a WhatsApp audio message. A number is also mentioned. Anyway, it is 89718999088. Wishing you confidence and fluency in spoken English. Thank you and have a wonderful spoken English course. Cheers.